Hey there guys, it's Marcus at Automotive Superstore again. Today I'd like to take a closer look at the THINKWARE M1, which is their motorsports / ATV camera system. It's a front and rear camera system with really heavy duty componentry. I think you're going to find it very suitable for any all-terrain application. Let's take a closer look at the features. In the box for the M1, we have two identical full high definition camera units. These are IP66 weatherproof, as is all of the rest of the kit in this box. We have two mounts which can be either stuck to the surface that you prefer using the included 3M tape, or they can be screwed in place. It's entirely your choice. It comes with a power bank, just in case you have a really small battery source, which is normally the case for motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, that sort of thing. This will help the camera stay afloat just in case the voltage gets a bit low. And connected to that is a remote controller, which can be mounted anywhere you like on the vehicle. One of the biggest highlights of the THINKWARE M1 package is the fact that it's also rugged. All of the gear in this kit is really well protected. You have really awesome casings around the camera. You've got these interlocking waterproof cables, which are a bit different to what you would find on a standard dash cam setup. The mounts themselves are lined with rubber, so the camera is well protected inside its housing. The power bank is basically just like a cell phone power bank. There's a lot of extra padding here and it doesn't feel like there's too much on the inside, so you can really do whatever you like with this. If you happen to have a stack, A, you're gonna have some awesome footage of it. B, nothing's gonna get hurt in the process. It's a really, really good kit for that sort of application if you plan to take it out and have a lot of fun with it. Now, attached to this heavy-duty power pack is a remote controller which can be mounted just about anywhere. It's got 3M tape on the back. You can either screw it down or you can stick it down, a handlebar wherever you'd prefer to have it. You have a Wi-Fi button on top which will enable the Wi-Fi sync, which can be linked with the THINKWARE app on your phone, so you don't really have to touch anything to do with the camera. It can all be controlled from your smartphone. Plus you have a manual recording button if you're about to do a really sick trick and you want to make sure you catch it. To sum up the features of this unit, both of the cameras here are full HD 1080p 30 frames per second. It features all of the amazing thermal protection qualities that the THINKWARE cameras feature on the upper echelon of the range. Plus you will have Super Night Vision 2.0 and a super wide field of vision 140 degrees to capture all the action. So in summary, if you like to adventure in the outdoors with your motorbike, ATV, what have you, and you need something that will hold up to the abuse, this is the kit that you want. There's nothing else on the market that features this level of quality for this price point. There's going to be a link in the description to check it out on our website. Please leave us a comment if there's any questions you have. We'd love to answer for them in a future video. And as always, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe.